Hello Year 2, it's Friday the 26th of February and here's your maths lesson. As always, first check yesterday's work. Here's the answers from yesterday. If you haven't marked your work, please pause the video now and do it. Okay, this is Jamal and Jamal loves jumping in different numbers, okay? Let's count with Jamal as he counts in twos on a twos number line. Are you ready? Let's go. 2, 4, louder please. Good job, Jamal. Now Jamal is going to count in fives on a fives number line. Are you ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Well done, everybody. And finally, tens. Now we're going to go all the way up to 200. So I'm going to count with you. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200. Great job, everybody. Okay, let's read our learning question. My turn. Can I multiply? Your turn. Can I multiply? Great job. Yesterday we drew arrays to multiply. Today we're going to use a different strategy. Let's read our vocabulary again. Here's Victor to help us. Multiply, multiplied by, lots of, groups of, times, array, arrays, rows, and columns. And what's this symbol? That's right, it's the multiplication symbol. Okay, which is the correct array? 3 multiplied by 10 equals 30. So which array shows 3 groups of 10? Do you know the answer? Have you had a good look? Let's find out. Well, it's not A. I've got 3 groups, so that's right, but I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in each group, so that's not the right array. It can't be B either, because I've got the 3 groups, so that's right, but have I got the right number in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, I've not got 10 in each group. What about this one? I've got 3 groups, so the first number's correct. Now I need to see if I've got 10 in each group. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's why this one is correct. 3 groups of 10. What about this one? 4 multiplied by 5 equals 20. Have a look, and which one has 4 equal groups of 5? Well, it can't be B because I've got my groups of 5 there. So that one's right. I've got 5 in each group, but I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups. So the first number's not right in this array. And this one's not right. Look, can you see I've got 5 in each group. So I've got the right number of counters in each group, but I've only got 1, 2, 3 groups. So that one can't be right. It must be A. Now, can you see the 4 groups? I'm going to circle them. Whoops. There's 1 group of 5, 2 groups of 5, 3 groups of 5, and 4 groups of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20. So A must be the correct array. Right, we're going to try a new strategy. Read the calculation with me. 6 multiplied by 2 equals 6 lots of 2 equals. So I need 6 2's. So I'm going to use my number line to help me. I'm going to put a circle around the first 2, not 0. Not going to put a circle around that. I'm going to put a circle around my first 2 and my second 2, and I need 6 2's altogether. 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 2's make 12. Now that seemed a lot quicker than drawing an array, but should we just check? I need 6 groups of 2. There's 1 group of 2, 2 groups of 2, 3 groups of 2, 4 groups of 2, 5 groups of 2, and 6 groups of 2. Now hopefully we've got 12. Count with me. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So that's our strategy for today. Let's try with this one. So I've got our 5's number line here, and let's read the calculation together. 7 multiplied by 5 equals, right, so I need 7 5's. So I've got to count along my number line until I've got 7 5's. Are we going to use the 0? Nope, because we need 5. 0 is nothing. So there's my first 5. 1, 2, 3. Remember, I need 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 5's make 35. So my answer is 35. Now you could draw an array, but you would get the same answer. Okay, now I've got my tens number line to help me. Read the calculation. 5 multiplied by 10 equals. So I need 5 lots of 10. 5 tens. Let's go to our number line. And we're going to circle the 0. I'm going to circle the first 10. There's 1 10. How many 10s do I need? That's it, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. My calculation says 5 10s. I've got 5 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And my answer is 50. Right. Now, without our number line to help us, so we're going to have to write the jumps of 2. Okay? So let's read this calculation together. 8 multiplied by 2 equals. Now, even if you are shouting out the answer, I still want you to have a go with this strategy, please. So I'm going to write my jumps of 2. So 2, what's the next one? 4, 6, there's my third jump. 8, there's 4 2's. 10, now I've got 5. 12, I've got 6 2's. Oops, 14, I've got 7 2's. 16, I think I've got 8 2's there. I'm just going to count that I've got 8 2's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 2's are 16. And that's the answer. Again, if you needed to check, we could draw 8 2's, 3 2's, 4 2's, 5 2's, 6 2's, 7 2's, whoops, and 8 2's. Count them for me. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. We get the same answer. This is a much more efficient strategy. Okay, next one. 9 multiplied by 5 equals. So I need 9 groups of 5. I need 9 5s. So I'm going to count in 5s this time, because that's what my calculation tells me to do. Am I going to write 0? Absolutely not. So let's try and write 9 5s. So we're going to count in 5 9 times. Are you ready? 5, 10, 15, 20. How many 5s have I got? 1, 2, 3, 4. Not there yet. 25, 30, 35, 40. Have I got 9 5s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, one more. 45. Let's just count and dot to check we've got 9 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's my 9 5s. So the answer is 45. And again, you could draw an array. So you would draw 5 counters and you do that 9 times to work out the answer if you needed to. Okay, so the last one. 6 multiplied by 10 equals. What are we going to count in now? We're going to count in tens because that's what my calculation tells me to do. And we're going to do that 6 times. Am I going to write 0? No. We're going to write 10 because that's our first jump. And we're going to do it 6 times. 10, 20, 30. How many 10s have I got? 1, 2, 3, not there yet. 40, 50, 60. I think I've got 6 10s, but I'm just going to count and dot to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got 6 10s, so my answer is 60. I'm just going to put a circle around the answer. Okay, and again, this one you could draw 6 base 10 if you were struggling with this strategy. Okay. Right, so your task today, please turn to page 15, okay, and I want you to write the date and the learning question, can I multiply? And you've got all these multiplications to do, okay, to copy into your book. Now, the strategy I want you to use is to write the correct numbers, the jumps of 2, 5, or 10, and circle the answer, okay? So I've done an example there, but I've not put the answer in. So that's how you must set out your work, okay? For each one, even if you know the answer, please write the multiples in. I'm going to put the number lines on the slides to help you. There's the 2's number line, the 5's number line, and the 10's number line, but hopefully you won't need to use that. Okay, so please email a clear picture of page 15 to teachersy2@birchfields.manchester.sch.uk. Can't wait to see your multiplications.